In this lecture, we will write code to handle the state of the game. First, we will go to the spot in the code where we create turtles in the game. We will create a variable named GameOver and set it equal to turtle.turtle. Then we will create a variable named uWin and also set it to a turtle. After that, we will hide both turtles by doing GameOver.hideTurtle and then uWin.hideTurtle. Next, we need to add the uWin GIF image and the GameOver GIF image to the screen using the screen.addShape function. Then we will go inside of the logic where we move Darkside. After some experimentation, I found that he overlaps the player too much when he moves. Let's fix that to make the AI movement look cleaner. Inside of the if statement, we will use the AND keyword and add a check for if Darkside's X position minus Batman's X position is greater than 200. Then we will change the else statement to an elif statement that checks if Batman's X position is greater than Darkside's X position. After that, we are going to code the logic that will deal out damage to the characters in the game. The first step is to go inside of the kick function and use an if statement. We will call isCollidedWith to check if Batman has collided with Darkseid. If so, we will call the drawHealth function, a function we have not written yet, and pass in the string Darkseid as the first argument, Darkseid Health Turtle as the second argument, Darkseid Health as the third argument, and 25 as the fourth argument. Then we can actually copy that code and go inside of the punch function. We will paste the code we just wrote into that function so that the punch attack can deal damage to Darkseid. Next, we need to make it so that Darkseid's attacks deal Batman damage. We will go to the spot in the code where Darkseid punches. After the shape is set to the Darkseid punch GIF image, we will check if Darkseid has collided with Batman. If so, we will call drawHealth and pass in the string Batman as the first argument, Batman Health Turtle as the second argument, Batman Health as the third argument, and 25 as the fourth argument. Then we will copy and paste the code we just wrote underneath the line where we set the shape of the Darkseid Turtle to the Darkseid Kick GIF image. We've been referencing an isCollidedWith function that checks if two objects have collided, but have not yet written the function. Let's do so now. We will define a function named isCollidedWith that takes in two parameters, a and b. Inside of this function, we will return the result of the absolute value of a's x position minus b's x position being less than 250, or a's x position minus b's x position being greater than negative 250, and the absolute value of a's y position minus b's y position being less than 200. Finally, we need to write the drawHealth function that we've been referencing. This function will take in four parameters: character, health, health amount, and damage. Inside of this function, we will use the global keyword on the Batman Health and Darkseid Health variables respectively. Then we will set the color of the Health Turtle to black. If the health amount is less than 0, we will set it equal to 0. Then we will check if the character is Batman. If so, we will move the Health Turtle back the value of health amount. Then we will set health amount equal to health amount minus damage. Finally, we will set Batman Health equal to health amount. Else, we know that the character is Darkseid. We will call healthTurtle.forward and pass in health amount. Then we will set health amount equal to health amount minus damage. After that, we will set Darkseid Health equal to health amount. Next, we need to check if the health amount is less than or equal to 0. If the character is Batman, this means that the player has lost the game. In that case, we will set the shape of our GameOver turtle to GameOver.GIF, and then call GameOver.showTurtle. Else, we will call uWin.shape and pass in the string uWin.GIF. After that, we will call uWin.showTurtle. Outside of the if-else statement, we will return from the function. If the health amount is less than or equal to 50, we will set the color of the health turtle to red. If the health amount is less than or equal to 100, we will set the color of the health turtle to yellow. Else, we will set the color of the health turtle to lime. If the character is Batman, we will move the health turtle forward the health amount. Else, we will move the health turtle backward the health amount. That wraps up our drawHealth function. In the next lecture, we will play through our finished Batman action game.